I'm going to share with you guys a very powerful strategy that you can use to trade boom and crash indices successfully. All right, we're going to be taking a long sell and long buy with this strategy. For crash, we're going to be taking long buys. On boom, we're going to be taking long sell. Okay, you can take from about 5 to 10 candlesticks for a sell or a buy. All right, so let's get on with it. So right now we're going to start with the parameters for the indicator. So currently I'm going to go into the indicator section right now, which we can see. Now for the indicator section, what we're going to do right now is put in the average directional movement index. So the average directional movement index, we're going to set the period to 137. Now you set the period to 137, then you don't add any levels at that point. For the style, you put that on 1 pixel color white, okay? Then plus DI, you put that to color of blue with 3 pixels, then minus DI color red on same 3 pixels as well with this first trend line. Then you click on save. Then you want to add the relative strength index. When you add the relative strength index, you put the period to 1, then you apply to close. All right. Then for the levels, you put on 85 and 15. Then you put that on the style, you set that to 4 pixel with this first trend line. Okay. Then you go back after that. When you go back, you want to set the style right here. You put the style right here to 1 pixel with color white, okay, color white with this trend line at the very point. Then you click on save. Then when you're done with that, what you want to do next is to set moving average. So for this setup, we're going to be using 2 moving average. The first moving average, you want to make sure that you put the period to 10, put the shift to 0. Method is going to be exponential. Then you apply to close. The style right here, you put that on 3 pixel with the red color, okay? Then you use this first trend line, then you click on save. The second one, which is the moving average, you put the period to 20, then you put a shift to 1, then the method is going to be simple. Then you apply to previous indicator data. Then for you don't add any levels, you just leave the time frame on time frame. So basically we're going to be doing this on the 1 minute time frame. All right. Then for the style, you should put that to 3 pixel with color green, but you can use any color of your choice. So it doesn't necessarily mean which color I'm using. You can use any color of your choice as long as you understand what you are doing. But basically, this is the color that helps me understand the market perfectly. That's why I'm using them right now. Then you put this trend line here to this first one, then you click on save. Okay, now we're going back to the main chart on the 1 minute time frame. Remember, I told you guys that this strategy is basically on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, now we're on boom 1000 index right now, as you can see. So currently what we have here, we can see that we have 2 red lines, one at the overbought here, then one in the indicator window 1, right? We have here both lines are in the indicator window 1, but we have 2 here. So this basically is going to be at the overbought, while here at the oversold. So now how do you look for on the bull market? So what we're going to be doing on the bull market is that we're going to be selling, looking for a long-term sell. So when you see this red line right here at this very point touching this level of 85 here, and also once it's above this line here, this green line, which you can see, once it's above it, you look for your sell entries. You enter into the market for a sell. Okay, enter into the market for a sell. You take up to 10 candlesticks. From this point here signifies the overbought, and we all know that when price gets to the overbought, price tends to drop drastically. So you take your sell from this point. To be on the safer side, you can take between 5 and 10. Then you wait again for another opportunities. We know that trading is all about opportunities. So when you get to that perfect opportunities, then you place your entry and you exit the market. Okay, from there, then you check again. You can see how perfect the strategy is. Okay, now you can see at this very point as well, when this red line gets to the overbought here above this line, as you can see, this line right here, and also above the RSI, which is the 85 level. Okay, when it gets above this very point, you look for your sell. From this point in time, you can see this is when the market began to sell. From this point right now, from this point right here, from this point right here, you can see, hold on guys, okay, You can see how long this sell took from this point here. You can see from towards here at this very point towards this point right here. Okay, so you place your entry at this very point for a sell. You scalp the market, you take advantage of small price movements, and you're out of the market. So this is basically when you're trying to trade the candles. Okay, and you know that when you're trading the candles, you can't use stop loss. All right, you can use stop loss. So you want to make sure that you place your entry as at a position whereby the chances of the spike coming to the market is really really low. Okay, that's why we're taking it at the overbought position right here. Okay, on the bull market. That's why we're taking it at the overbought position at this very point. It gets to this point, you immediately start scalping the market, taking between 5 to 10 candlesticks at this point. Here you take your long, you don't exceed more than 10. Okay, don't exceed more than 10 candlesticks so that you don't end up in a losing trade. All right, so you want to make sure that you scalp the market alone, take between 5 and 10 candlesticks, and you're out of the market. You want to make sure that you use this setup strategically. Okay, you want to make sure that you practice as well. Okay, you can practice on your demo account before going into your real account. Okay, you want to make sure that you understand it very well, you know the perfect position to place your entry and your exit. Okay, now let's go over to the crash market. Remember, I told you guys that this strategy is for boom and crash. So we'll go over to crash 1000 index right now. Going over to the crash market at this very point, using the same setup on the the 1 minute time frame. Now, on the crash market, we're trading the candles. Remember the strategy for taking long buys and sell. So on the crash market, when this price here, this line gets to below the level of 15 at this very point, touching this red line. Remember, on the bull market, it's above the overbought. So this is going to be the oversold. Touching this line, below this green line right here, at this very point, you look for your long-term buy. You take 5 to 10 candlesticks at this very point in time. Okay? As you can see. Okay? Get to this point, you immediately place your entry for a buy. You scalp the market, take 5 candles to 10 candlesticks, and you're out of the market. Very powerful strategy for you to trade the boom and crash indices. You can try this on boom 1000 and crash 1000 index. It works seamlessly, very perfect for you. Okay, now you want to make sure that you understand this strategy before you use it to trade. Test it, perfect it, and also guys, make sure you understand how lot sizes work. Okay, because most new traders, when they're trying to trade boom and crash markets, they don't fully understand how to trade, how these lot sizes works. Okay, all lot size is not the same. When you're using one lot size and you're using a lot size of about 0.2, 0.5, the losses you are having using a higher lot size and a lower lot size is not the same. And when you're trading boom 300, boom 500, this comes with their own lot sizes. Okay, so the amount of wins and losses you get on boom 300 is not going to be the same on boom 1000, boom 500. So you need to understand how this works before you start trading. Do your research, learn. You have demo account to practice. Okay, you have a lot of demo accounts. You can practice and understand how this works before you go into your real account. I want to make sure that you understand very well before trading boom and crash. Boom and crash market is a very highly volatile market. It's risky as well. So you want to make sure that you understand it before you start using it to trade. Okay, so I believe you understand everything that I've said to you guys. And if you found value in this video, do it to like and subscribe, and also join my Telegram community, the Daily Forex. On my Telegram community, I share with you guys tips and strategies on boom and crash indices. I give you guys daily free signals on volatility 75 and also boom and crash indices as well. We trade volatility trading, we trade the Forex market, and we also trade synthetic indices, boom and crash trading. All right, so join my Telegram community for more awesome trading tips and strategies. I'll see you guys on the next video.